Remember when AI felt like a cool but distant concept? Something researchers worked on in labs? That changed fast. When OpenAI launched ChatGPT, it was like the whole world suddenly woke up to what AI could really do. This wasn't just another smart assistant. ChatGPT could hold a conversation, crack jokes, code apps. It felt like chatting with a brainy friend who knew everything. That moment kicked off a full-blown AI arms race. By 23, it wasn't just OpenAI leading the charge. Google, Meta, Microsoft, and startups like Anthropic started dropping AI updates left and right. Everyone wanted in, but now the focus isn't just on making chatbots better. It's about building something much bigger, artificial general intelligence or AGI. AGI is basically superintelligent AI, not just a tool, but a system that can think across subjects, learn on its own, and outperform human in pretty much everything. It's what sci-fi movies have been teasing for decades, and big tech wants to be the first to crack it. Meta in particular is going all in. After spending billions on Metaverse, which by the way hasn't exactly gone viral, Zuckerberg seems to be pivoting to AI fast. In one of its boldest moves yet, Meta invested a massive $14.3 billion into Scale AI, a company that trains AI by labeling data. That's Meta's biggest deal since it bought WhatsApp. And Meta isn't just throwing money around, it's aggressively recruiting top AI talent. I talked about it in my previous video. Not just from startups, but straight out of its competitors. But not everyone is impressed. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman recently shared that Meta tried offering his team $100 million signing bonuses. And it didn't work. None of our best people left, he said on a podcast. He brushed off Meta's offers as a kind of panic move. And I agree with him and criticized their approach to culture and innovation. According to Altman, OpenAI's edge isn't just talent, it's mission. His team is driven by a shared goal to build AGI in a way that is safe, powerful, and meaningful. That, he says, is more appealing than just throwing cash at people. Again, I am 100% agreeing with what he said. Meanwhile, Meta's move comes at a time when it's trying to reinvent itself. The metaverse didn't land as expected, and while Meta still dominates social media, AI has become the new battleground. Building AGI could give Meta the kind of technological edge that reshapes everything from Instagram to VR to enterprise tools. But let's be real. This isn't just about tech. Governments are now watching closely. AGI is being treated like a national security asset. The company and country that gets there first could have massive influence over global economics, defense, and beyond. So yeah, the stakes are high, super high. This isn't just a race for better chatbots or cooler apps. It's a scramble to define the future of intelligence, and the players are pouring billions into it, snapping off talent and moving faster than ever. Whatever OpenAI keeps its lead, Meta pulls off a comeback or someone unexpected steps up. We're watching history unfold. AGI might sound like a buzzword today, but give it a few years, it could be the engine that powers everything we use, from personalized healthcare to fully autonomous businesses. And whoever builds it won't just win the tech war. They might just own the next era of civilization. My final thought? Well, predicting who will win the race for AGI is really tough. OpenAI has a strong lead right now with its clear mission, advanced models, and talented team. Their focus on safety and meaningful impact gives them an edge beyond just tech. And I really hope Sam Altman in OpenAI be able to win this race. But Meta's massive investment, aggressive hiring, and ambition to reinvent itself mean they could catch up or even leap ahead, especially if they figure out new breakthroughs or even better strategies. In the end, it might not be a single winner. The race could push multiple groups forward, with collaborations or competing versions sharing the future. Whoever wins will need a mix of cutting-edge tech, smart talent, strong ethics, and a vision that balances power with safety. Among all these, I do believe OpenAI is the best choice to be supported for future of AGI.